So as you can see guys, there is nothing we can do with this machine. As you can see, every command is blocked and restricted, and even I'm trying to just explore certain directories, still I'm not able to get into it. Now in this case, what you need to do is you need to convert this normal shell into a bash shell to get the next steps going. So whenever you find your SSH connections like this, the next thing you need to do is you need to go to Vim, the VI editor, VI -a or VI, whatever you want to like, and here you need to type certain command to convert this shell into a bash shell. So I will type colon sign off exclamation slash bin slash bash, and as you press enter you will see I got into a bash shell. Now let me try here something, and you can see nothing is working here also, and even if I type cd11, nothing is working here also, as you can see, right? Now the first thing you need to do is you need to you need to look for some executables under into user.bin folder through certain variables. So here I will be using two commands, one with a variable known as path and second will be variable with shell, where I will be looking for certain executable files into the system, or executables into the system which are having certain user permissions. Right now you can see it's like first entering into the user and then from user entering into the admin privileges. So here in this case, even I have the user permission, still the user is not having that level of permissions to even explore the entire hard drive and look here and there in this folder or that folder. Now to do that, we need to find out a command known as export space path, and I want you to note down this command. This is very very important, and usually whenever you find this type of environment, you need to type this command path, press enter. And the similar thing I need to type again, for instead of path I have to type shell, and here I will type shell. That's it. Now what is the meaning of this command, blah blah blah, that I will not cover in this, but technically if someone wants to know about it, then in nutshell I can tell you that the first command, which is export path user bin path, adds the directory, that is user slash bin, to the beginning of the existing path value, which determines whether the system looks for executables files or not. And in the second command, what I have written here is export shell is equal to user bin dot shell. It sets the default shell to bash, that is slash bin slash bash, appending the current shell value, that is shell, to a new one. Now I hope you got it. Those who know, those who don't worry, just write it down the commands and move forward accordingly. So I press enter, as you can see it's done. And now if I press ls now, and you can see I got a username here, ud, and if I type cd dot dot, press enter, and I find clear and type dir windows ls, you can see I'm able to get into directory. And let me try to get into root, and it says user is not there. So what I have to do, so I have to go to cd user, and in users I can see how many users are there. There are so many users, and the user which I am looking for is lib64, is it, or maybe something else. Anyways, u64 actually, which is not here. So ls type or cd ls no, or okay, so I think we have to go to user again, and where I landed actually, cd let me try one command where I think you will be able to get the C. So let me try sudo -l. Okay, one thing which you realize here is the user where I logged in, u64, may run the following command on this device. So there is only one command which is available for me to execute on this system. Now only thing I need to do is how I can do the privilege escalation for this sys ud64. Now what is this sys ud64? Let me try to figure it out by sys ud64, and if I type -h, press enter, and you can see here is something which is there. Print message blah blah blah. So that is actually so I can't go up actually, but this is a trans basically command. So there is a variable known as trans which can be used to bypass the things which can be bypassed the command which is there. I don't know where it is, but yeah, don't worry, I have already cracked this machine, so I know. I can't go up and show you because my mouse is not working, and as you can see I can't rotate this up and down. I don't know what's the problem with this terminal, so I can't do that one itself. Anyways, so just note down the command. As you can see, if I type ls here, I'm not able to get into the admin root access folder. So if I type here, just wait, so here is the root, right? If I type, we type clear and cd root, and you can see permission is denied. So if I type what type of commands I can run here, okay, sudo -l. So only one command I can run with the admin privileges, but the only thing I need to know is how I can do the abuse this sys ud64 with the trans. So the command which I'm going to use right now to abuse this is sudo. So the application which is working right now is trace, or you can use, instead of trace, you can use sudo sys ud64 and -o/-dev/ null space/bin/bash. Now from where I got it, the only thing you need to do is you need to google that how to do the admin privilege bypass, or you can say how to do the privilege escalation on sys ud64 or trans, basically the application. You'll get so many links, and from there I got this this command to bypass this. Now let me try if I'll be able to get this trans privilege escalation. Sorry for my spelling mistakes, I'm not able to read it properly also. Escalations on trans. So here you can see there will be a lot of articles, there will be a lot of videos will be there to showcase you this thing, and I don't know what the hell is happening here. Not stress, dude. I don't know. Stress. STRAC. Stress. STRAC. Yes, this is it. So if I press enter here we go, guys. They are saying it sh. We will try both, either sh or bin/bash. So we both, let me try once. So let's try this one first instead of this one. Sudo paste, okay, sudo trans -o, press enter, and the password is if I can recall properly, the password was this, guys, if you remember. So let me put the password here, password, press enter. Okay, so it says that the user 64 is not allowed to execute using the / blah 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 as a root on online. Okay, so root command is not gonna work, or this command is not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this command to little bit to bash and press enter. And this time I'm gonna paste my password, press enter. Come on. Okay, let's try something else. Let's put the username here. This ud64, press enter. Woohoo! So as you can see guys, instead of start the application, I have to use the variable name, the file name exact, and if I am lucky you will be able to see something like this. And if I go to cd.root, press enter, and here we go. So at the end of the day guys, we got the flag. So I know it was a pretty much humble jumble kind of a CTF. It's night. I worked the entire day. I don't want to miss the CTFs every week, so I tried my level best to whatever I was able to remember to put this flag. Now let's see what's inside the flag, guys. So let's try flag.txt. Does for love what others would not do for money. Unknown device. So this was the root access, and this was the content of the file which we cracked, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the CTF. Do subscribe if you like, and do like if you subscribe, if you are also subscribing, and do not forget to press the bell icon, guys. It's a stupid thing, again I'm calling it again and again. Every YouTuber says that, but why it's important? Because whenever I upload a video, you'll get notification, and if you will not put on the bell icon, you will not get the notification. So open your copy pen, make sure you watch the video again, note down the steps, install the VMware, install the Kali Linux and other application in your system, the box, and then start hacking it. So every week one video to hack it, and within next 1 to 2 months you will be a very good professional pen testers, and then you can appear for your OSCP or some other certification with the similar genre. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.